Today we will start our new lesson, Helen Keller and Annie Sullivan. Helen Keller and Annie Sullivan. In this lesson, it is the real story of Helen Keller. Real story of Helen Keller, and her teacher's name is Annie Sullivan. Annie Sullivan. So here in this story, Helen Keller expressed her experience when she was in the childhood days. So in this opening story, she says, I understand the knowledge means, what is meant by the knowledge? The knowledge means the love, the vision and the brightness. Love, vision and brightness, this is called the knowledge. So here in the opening part of the story, Helen Keller fell ill at the age of 2, and after that accident she became totally blind. And when she became totally blind, until the age of 7, she fell into the depth of darkness. That means there is no relation, no coordination with the other people surrounded by her. So at the age of 7, when she was near to completing her age of 7, she met her teacher Annie Sullivan, and that day changed her whole life, and there will be the surprise, the marvel in her life. That day, when she understood the unusual to and fro of her mother. What is meant by to and fro? To and fro means walking here and there. Every day she know the usual activity of mother, but that day when she was on the veranda, the penetrated sun focused on her face, but she did not do anything. She just understood, she heard to and fro of mother, so she understood that there would something will be happen marvelous as well as the surprising for her. When she sit on the steps of the porch, step of the veranda, she heard the approaching footstep. So she raised her hand forward to check whether it was her mother. We know that the blind person always use the walking sticks or the hand to check what way in front of them. So when she heard the footstep approaching, she raised the hand out and checked whether it was her mother. And then after some moment, someone came, caught her and hugged into the arm. That time she firstly know the love, how to express the love to someone. Then Annie Sullivan caught her and went into the teacher room, where she started her teaching. So when the teacher hugged Helen, she firstly understood the expression of love. She feel really happy, and that's why she expressed that it was the first day of her life which teaches how to express the love. Then when teacher and Helen came into the schoolroom, classroom, the teacher gave a doll to her. This doll was prepared by Parkins Institute, the Blind Children Institute, and the doll was prepared by the blind children and dressed up with the blind children. So when the teacher gave the doll to her, she just wanted to touch the doll and understood the outer structure of the doll. And when the teacher gave her doll and she started writing on her hand the spell D-O-L-L. D-O-L-L. She slowly speaking the spelling and writing on Helen's hand D-O-L-L. That time Helen firstly understood the word D-O-L-L, doll. This is the process of teaching the blind student. Generally the teacher While she was teaching to the blind student, they used the touch part, because our sensory organ, 5 sensory organ we normal people can use. But the blind student cannot understand, cannot see. That means they could not see the eye, they could not hear properly, and that's why the teacher focused on the skin, so that the teacher wrote the spelling of DOLL on her hand. Now she became so interested that she want to write the same spell. She want to write the same spelling. In this way, she first introduced the object, that is the doll, with her teacher and the student. Is it clear? So we will stop here. The remaining part of the story we will take.